So, good afternoon, sir. My name is Flordelindi Ramo, and I am a first reporter. And our assigned topic is all about application software. So, what is application software? So, application software is a type of computer program that performs a specific personal, educational, and business function. Each application is designed to assist end users in accomplishing a variety of tasks which may be related to productivity or communication. So ang application software mo na siya mga apps na makita nato sa atong computer, laptop, mobile phone or uban pa. And it has to become our everyday companion that performs a specific task for the user to help for us and to the people to perform sa ilahang mga nagkalalahi nga activity or task na ilang ginabuhat and to make users more productive and assist them with personal tasks. Like for example, as a student, so more on sa to is more on sa to is maghimog report. So ang specific task or application software na atong gamiton is PowerPoint when we are doing our report. And another example is Microsoft Word. It is application software na nag-allow sa tuwa paghimo sa atong mga documents o guban pa.
Application software has a variety of uses. So the first one is to make business activities more efficient. It's because sa mapansin man po nato no nga kanang sa business murag nagamit sila og nagamit sila og mga software nga wherein dito nila gina-attach or dito nila gipangbutang ang mga plano nila about sa ilahang business and kanang through software man god murag bitog mas-save ang ilahang mga work, ang ilahang mga plan about sa ilahang business. Second one is to assist with graphics and multimedia projects. The third one is to support home, personal, and educational tasks. So of course naga-suporta siya sa pampersonal or sa education. So just like for example we all know nowadays ang mga estudyante karon is limited lang ang face-to-face in which na time na mag-online class sila and night time na mag-module. So syempre pag naay dili masabtan ng isa ka estudyante sa ilahang module baka or sa ilang online class, they can freely go to Chrome or sa Google para makakuha sila idea or sa ilahang mga answer. So makakuha sila idea dito. And the last one is to facilitate communication. So of course through software maka-facilitate ta og communication, just like for example kanang sa email, di ba? So sa Gmail maka-communicate ta sa atong friends or sa atong mga colleagues or sa atong loved ones or families nga gusto natong i-aiming. Yahoo, just like for example Yahoo, so daara siya makakuan og communication. So the application software is available in a variety of forms. So the first one is the package, custom, web application, open source, shareware, freeware, and the public domain. So kini sila nga mga application software or kini sila nga mga forms application software is na ni siya nagadaiyang meaning and example. So for further explanation, so let us wait and let us listen carefully to the next reporter.
Package software is mass-produced, copyrighted retail software that meets the needs of a wide variety of users, not just a single user or company. So, package software is a collection of programs nga nag-perform sa similar functions or have similar features. For example, ang Microsoft Office is nag-include siya in multiple applications such as Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Custom software performs functions specific to a business or industry. So, ang customized na software is mauni siya na software na specially developed for some specific organization or other user. And because of this, pwede ni siya magamit sa software package na gibuhat para sa mass market, such as commercial off-the-shelf software or existing free software. Web application. Web application is a website that allows users to access and interact with software from any computer or device that is connected to the internet. Also defined as a web application is application software that runs on a web server. Unlike computer-based software programs that are run locally on the operating system of the device, web applications are accessed by the user through a web browser with an active network connection. Open source software is a software provided for use, modification, and distribution. Ang open source software ay computer software that is released under a license in which the copyright holder is gahatag sa mga user or grants users the rights to use, study, change, and distribute the software. Also, its source code to anyone and for only purpose. So, ang open source software is pwede siya mabuo or maybe it will develop in collaborative public manner. Shareware. Shareware is a copyright software that is distributed at no cost for trial period. So, shareware is software that is distributed free on a trial basis with the understanding that the user may need or want to pay for it later. So, uban software developers pod is nag-offer og shareware version which is their program with a built-in expiration date. 30 days, after 30 days, ang user can no longer get access to the program. Freeware is a copyrighted software provided at no cost by an individual or a company that retains all rights to the software. So, this also a software which is the freeware. So, this was a software copyrighted na walay bayad for an individual or in a company. Public domain software has been donated for the public use and has no copyright restrictions. So, public domain software is any software that has no legal, copyright, or editing restrictions associated with it. So, this software, it is free and open source software that can be publicly modified, distributed, or sold without any restrictions. Business software is an application software that assists people in becoming more effective and efficient while performing their daily activities. So, business software or business application can be defined also that the software or set of computer programs used by business users to perform various business functions. So, these business applications are used to increase productivity, to measure productivity, and to perform other business functions accurately. So, example sa business software is katong computer program designed to allow a restaurant to take orders on a computer. Also, accounting software and point-of-sale software.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Melissa Jane Marmes and I will be reporting about different types of application used by business. Picking up the right application software for personal or business use can improve function and efficiency. Understanding the type of application software will help you save cost, time, and resources, enhance productivity, and improve decision making. Some of commonly used application software are word processors, graphic software, database, spreadsheet, presentation software, web browser, enterprise software, information worker software, multimedia software, education and reference software, and content access software. presentation software. Ang presentation software can defined as a computer program designed to allow user to present information in an engaging way such as text, picture, sound, and video. Ang presentation software nag-divide into business presentation software and general multimedia authoring software. But most presentation software application is provide tools to allow user to create both professional-looking business presentation and general multimedia presentation. So, ang PowerPoint presentation is an example of presentation software. So, it has three components. First is text editor to input and format text. Second is insert graphic, text, video, and multimedia files. And the last is slideshow to display the information.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, my name is Anilyn Abrigando, the reporters of Group 2. The topics I report this time is about web browsers. Web browsers are application software used to browse the internet for locating and retrieving data across the web. The most popular web browsers are Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. Other example of browser include Firefox, Mist, Edge, Safari, and Etic. So, mauday ni siya ang mga example sa web browser ang Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Conqueror, Opera, and Safari. Multimedia software is application software create or record image, create audio-video files. This software is extensively used in animation, graphic image, and video editing. Education and reference software. This application software, also termed as academic, specifically designed to facilitate learning of a particular subject. So, ang example ng education and reference software is graphic software. Graphic software allows you to edit or make change in visual data or image. It comprises illustration and picture editor software. Example, Adobe Photoshop and Paint Shop Pro.
Spreadsheet software is used to perform calculations. In this software, data is stored in table format. The intersecting area, called cells, are separated to define fields such as text, date, time, number. It allows the users to provide formulas and functions to perform calculations. Examples: Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Database software is an application software that uses to create, access, and manage a database. Using database software, you can add, change, and delete in the database, sort and retrieve from database, and create forms and reports using in the database. Data is fetched from the database, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, Postgres SQL, MongoDB, and IBM Database are some of the popular database. Word from processing software is used to format and manipulate text, thus creating memos, letter, fax, and documents. Word processing is also used to format and view the text. It provides you a whole lot of features, including features, synonyms, and antonyms.
Simulation software. It used in the fields of military engineering, practical education in certain industries, machinery testing, industrial training, video games, and etc. It used where the work on actual system or physical environment can be hazardous. So, stimulates is to stimulate physical or abstract system for either research, training, or entertainment purposes. Ang example kay kanang fire drills, weather forecasting, CGI and graphics and entertainment, and stimulation used in healthcare to teach, skill, or prepare for emergencies. Enterprise software, also known as enterprise application software, is computer software used to satisfy the needs of an organization rather than individual users. Such organizations include businesses, school, interest-based user groups, clubs, charities, and government. So, enterprise software, another meaning is addresses the needs of organization, processes, and data flow often in a large distribution environment. For example, kay kanang financial system, customer relationship management system, and supply chains management software. Also, the another example is include travel expense management and IT help desk. Information worker software. Let users create and manage information, often for individual projects within a department, and construct to enterprise management. Example include time management, resource management, analytical management. Content access software. A software used primarily to access content without editing, but may include software that allows for content editing. Such software addresses the needs of individuals and groups to consume digital entertainment and publish digital content. So, also it is used primarily to access content. So, ang example aning content access software kay kanang media players, web browser, and help browser. So that's all.
A pleasant good afternoon, everyone. So this is the continuation of Ayan's report. My assigned topic is all about note-taking software. It's application software that enables users to enter typed text, handwritten comments, drawing, or sketches anywhere on page and save as part of a notebook. So users find note-taking software convenient during meeting, class lectures, conference in libraries, and other settings that previously required. So, mga example aning note-taking softwares is Microsoft OneNote, Keep Notes, Notepad, Simple Notes. So, di ba sa iPad makita nimo na yung mga pwede ka maka-drawing dito, pwede ka maka-sketch dito, o bisag unsa, and also it is very useful po if ever kung nakay mga important na mga details na imong gustong kanang ma-rememberan, then you can put it into your notes nga para isulat nimo dito para dili ka makalimot. So this if you have, and also po during sa kanang meetings, if and class lectures, then kanang naka-important na mga, if you want to take down notes, then you can use this kanang mga application. So that's why this kanang note-taking software or kanang mga application software is very very important yun nowadays in 21st century. Kay sa una ginagamit is mga notebook lang, kanang mga, if you have kanang mag-take down notes ka, magdala jud kag notebook para imuhang isulat dito ang kanang gi-lecture. But now pwede na ka makagamit ani nga mga software para nga magamit nimo nga imuhang gamitanan para imuhang sulatanan sa imuhang mga gipang take down notes. So next is functions of application software. So application softwares are designed to facilitate a large number of functions. Some of these includes data and information management, document management, visual and video development, accounting, finance and payroll management, resource management, HR management such as hiring, onboarding and preparation, project management, business process management, educational software, and healthcare application. So this data and information management is refers to the set of people, process, and technology supporting information as asset. To ensure that data information is understandable, trusted, and visible. So next is ang document management is a process of leading the work of a team to achieve all the project's goals within the given constraint. Next is accounting, finance, and payroll management. So mo ni siya ang kanang naa sa mga mo tig-release bitaw sa kanang ting sweldo na i-payroll mo na siya dira management. Next is resource management. So resource management is very important. It is because it provides you with an overview of everyone and everything involved in your project. Examples is ani is kanang agriculture, for example nakay projects, then wala kay nakay project, then wala ka kabalo kung unsa na siya. So through the use of resource management, you can makahatag di siya og kanang overview nimo. For example, through sa agriculture, kung gusto ka mo proceed og agriculture, then wala kay overview ana, so moadto lang ka sa source management. Next is the HR management, such as hiring, on boarding and reparation. Is a process in which new hires are integrated into the organizations, or it allows a new employees to complete the activities initial new hire orientation. So muna siya nga, if ever kung di ba kung sa trabaho kung naakay ka ng gusto nga ipasulod, dapat interviewin yun na siya daan para mabalaan nimo ang iyang skills or iyang talent. Next is the project management. So project management is the process of leading the work project goals within the given constraint. So next is the educational software. So ang educational software is mga example ani niya is kana bitawng mga kuan like Edmodo, Encarta kana ginagamit nato sa karon kay wala namang sa una gagamit mo Encarta, but ang Encarta man gud is makahatag pud nimo og kanang mga ideas kung naa man gud dira putanan mura po na siya encyclopedia ang Encarta. Then next is kana bitang Edmodo ginagamit nato karon sa tong pag-eskwela kanamo sa mong pag-eskwela. So muna siya nga ang educational software is kanang from the word educational. So naadiha ra gyud nimo magkuha kanang gamit jud siya para sa kanang sa eskwelahan nga para educational purpose lang jud siya. Wala siya isagol nga mga kuan kanang mga games or etc. But it is a software which is made for an educational purpose only. So next is the healthcare application. So ang healthcare application is a knowledge-based decision support IT programs that offers assistance, guidance, and feedback in the healthcare setting. So example ani is Athena Health, telemedicine, and electronic health record. So that's all, and thank you.